Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this cool aesthetic video effect in Capcut. This effect is currently very popular in outfit videos and vlogs. It is also an effect that is widely used on TikTok and Instagram. I will demonstrate this effect in an outfit video. You just need to make 3 videos showing of an outfit you want to share with your following. You also need to consider how long you want your final video to be. The video I'm going to make will be about 7 seconds long. I've already adjusted one video to this length and the rest I haven't been adjusted yet, but I will show you what I'm going to do with them. Now you have to select the order of your videos. Then click on Collage and click on Format. Then click on a ratio and choose the platform you want to make the video for. I want to make it for TikTok, so I stick with this ratio. And the good thing is that the TikTok ratio also works for Instagram Reels, so you can share them on both platforms. Then I adjust the 2 images, that's the first one and the second one, and then I click on Continue. And then I go to the end of the videos and import a black background photo, as it is to 0.7 seconds long. Well, this is optional. I do this only because then we'll get my video a cooler effect on the end of the video. Then I go back to the beginning and play the first slide with the shoes. I want the shoes to be on screen earlier, so I cut out the first few seconds. And then I go to the speed and set the speed to 2.9, which is about 7 seconds long. And then I go to the end of the slide and split it to 6.2 seconds long. And then I click on the second slide and adjust this slide in speed as well, and setting it to 2.3 in speeding. To make the video more interesting at the end, I cut this slide to 5.8 seconds long. And then I select the third slide and set it to 6 seconds long, and then I'm finished with my video. And you can play your own video and check if you're satisfied. The only thing left to do is to find a popular song on Instagram or TikTok. And why is choosing a popular song good? Well, it's because you will be pushed by the algorithm of TikTok and Instagram, which can help you gain more views and likes for your video. I hope this helped you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing.